Hey everyone, in today's video I will be removing the front plastic air dam underneath the bumper on my 2014 GMC Sierra. All you need to remove this is a 10mm socket. I'm removing it for cosmetic reasons. I think it'll look cooler, give the truck a more 4x4 look. The reason why they're there obviously is to increase fuel efficiency. Since I don't do a whole lot of highway driving, I don't see how this is benefiting me that much. So I'm going to take it off and keep track of my mileage and see how bad it really is. And then make a decision to keep it off, or if it's really bad, put it back on. So here's the finished product with the air dam off the truck. I'm already regretting not doing this sooner. I think it gives it a much more aggressive look. And this, in combination with the leveling kit I installed from ReadyLift, which brought the front of the truck up about 2.25 inches, really gives it almost like a lifted look. I really like it. Now to remove it, it was just 14 of those 10mm bolts. It was very easy to do. And like I said, I'm going to drive it for a while, see how it affects my fuel economy. But I'm already loving the look. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you very much for watching.